Hi there and welcome to Cap2's April edition of the Course Pro feature webinar. Today we're going to be taking you through a brand new feature, which is a new reports builder which has been added to the report suite. Now it's in the normal place if you go to reports, and if it's been activated within your account, you'll see this yellow bar across the top. Now, in order to access the new reports, you'll see down the right hand side here next to each of the normal report names a red star next to each of them. If you click on that, you'll now see a new try new reports button. So if you click on that, it will open up in a new tab the new reports builder. Okay. So first of all, it gives you some tips to show you what each of the parts do. So for instance, up here you'll have a drop down with all the different kinds of reports that you can pull off of the system. Okay, so you can select the one that you want to pull off. Then you've got the fields, so this is pulling off, defining the information that you want to draw from the system. Okay, so these would be all the headings that go along the top of your report, and it's got them predefined for you at the moment. If you wanted to get rid of them, you just click on each of them to take them out, and then if you wanted to add any in that weren't already there, you'll see any like that. If you click in with the white box, it'll show you what ones are available to you for this specific report. Okay, so once you've specified that, you can get rid of that and then move over to the filters. Okay, so this is defining where the information is coming from. Okay, and so for this report, you can see it's asking you what date you want to pull the report from. So if you click on it, you get a drop down. Then you've got the regions, so you can select which region you're pulling it for, what centres you want to pull it for, which courses, teachers. If you want to have it with all teachers, you just leave it blank, and which class level. And again, if you wanted to put it for all of the class levels, you would just leave that blank. Okay. At that point, once you're happy with the filters, you can click on Update the Report, and you can see here it's pulled all the information for this report. Okay. The same as before, if you wanted to download it to an Excel file, you can do that by clicking the download button, and it will download that report for you so you can use it within Excel and pull off all that data from there. Works exactly the same for all the other reports, but with various different filters and fields. So if I open up another report, you can see here within this report it'll give you a list of different fields to complete. It may also give you a list of other options that you can select from as well. Okay, and then if you go over to the filters, it may well give you a different list of filters to choose from as well, depending on the report you pull. So there's different types of filter that you can choose from there. Okay, and that is the new reports. Thank you for joining us for the April Course Pro feature webinar. We look forward to seeing you in the future.